Hi viewers, in this video I am going to explain numericals from reflection of light. That means the concave mirror and the convex mirror, finding out the image formation numerically. In the previous video I explained the ray diagrams. Now in this one I am going to explain the numericals. That means how, where and what is the nature of the image formed on the concave or the convex mirror. I am going to explain now. So first we have to follow some basic rules, and important things we should remember is sign convention. First sign convention is all the distances are measured from pole. So from the pole, suppose this is the pole, so all the measurement should be measured, all the distances should be measured from this point only. But see, distance measured taken to be positive, it is taken as positive when means in the direction of the incident ray. So as in the direction of the incident ray, suppose, see, I have taken one example of a concave mirror object and the image formation. So object is placed beyond C, image is found between C and F. Okay, object and image. So object, incident ray, this is the incident ray. So this direction incident ray, so this is the same direction as of incident ray, so distances will be taken as positive, and opposite to incident light is to be taken negative. That means this is incident ray, and if it is opposite in direction, that means C down, this is opposite direction from pole. So opposite direction from pole, in this direction, reverse direction, we should take it as negative. Okay, and apart from this one, size of the image and size of the object. Size of the object, that means HO, height. Size of the image HI, size of the object HO. HO and HI positive above the principal axis. So in this one, this is the principal axis, we know. This is the object. If we consider this one is object AB, this one is above the principal axis, so above the principal axis should be taken as positive. If it is below the principal axis, the image will be taken as negative. So in this way, size of so these are the sign convention rules. Okay, coming to the magnification. Positive magnification when means above the principal axis we get positive magnification. Positive magnification, the image is erect and virtual. So above the principal axis means in this way. If it is below the principal axis, this is inverted, that is negative value. So image formation is inverted and it will be real. This is negative magnification. So coming to the formula, I hope you understood these sign convention and the rules. Mirror formula is, this is mirror. Okay, mirror formula for the concave and the convex mirror formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. That is, reciprocal of focal length is equal to sum of the reciprocals of the image distance and the object distance. U is nothing but object distance and V is nothing but image distance. So this is the mirror formula. Then magnification, size of image by size of the object. Size we take it as H, like height, size. So HI, so this is the size. This is the size of the object, and down will be size of the image. Suppose this is size of the object and this is size of the image. This ratio gives magnification. And also we have not only with the size, that means the height, we have the according to the distances, the ratio of the image distance, that means this image distance by object distance. This is also measured from pole. That is also called as magnification with the negative sign. Okay, these are the formulas. Now we are going to solve the problem. Okay, now coming to the problem. This is the question. An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a image? This is object measurements. Find the nature and size of the image. So what he given from the question, we will write down first. Object 4 centimeter in size. Size means, in the formula I explained, size means h, represented with h. So h, object means O. Object size HO equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter according to the rules I'm taking. Placed at 25 centimeters. So this is nothing but object distance. Object distance is 25 centimeters. But it should be taken as negative. Why? Because from the pole the object is measured like this. In reverse direction we will measure. So reverse direction means I said value should be taken as negative. So 25 centimeters minus 25 centimeters is the object distance. Now focal length is 15 centimeters. Focal length, that is f. Focal length f equal to 15 centimeters. Then what about focal length? Object distance taken as negative, so object focal length should also be taken as negative. Why? Because this is also measured in the reverse direction. So focal length equal to minus 15 centimeters. Now we will find out image formation. We have the mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. We'll substitute in this one. 1 by f value is minus 15 equal to 1 by v, we need to find out. That is nothing but image distance plus 1 by u value is minus 25. I'll take values, numerical numbers to one side. 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 15. This plus into minus minus, chain bring this side. So this will become plus 1 by 25. LCM for 15 and 25 is 5 3s, 5 5s. 5 3 is 15, 15 into 5 is 75. So 75 is LCM. Here 75 means we need to multiply with 5 such that it will become 75, and here it is 3, 25 into 3s. So minus 5 plus 3, 1 by v. And 1 by v equal to minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2 by 75. Reverse of this one, so v value will be minus 75 by 2, which is nothing but minus 37.5 centimeters. This is image distance, v equal to. That means far away from the object. So suppose here it is the object, here it is 25 centimeters. Image formation will be somewhat here. That means beyond C. Okay. Nature we need to find out. So he given the question HO, we will find out HI, that is image size. We got image distance, we will find out image size. M equal to, we have the formula HI by HO, but he didn't given the magnification value, M value. So we will take another formula of M is minus V by U, that is image distance by object distance. We will substitute HI by HO value he given as 4. Image distance we got as minus 37. So minus of minus 37, or else I'll take it as 75. 75 by 2 for easy calculation, by U value is 25 minus. So HI by 4 equal to minus of minus will become plus 75 by 2 into 25 multiplication. So 25 ones, 25 3s is 75. And here 2 ones, 2 2s. Then HI equal to 2 multiplies here 3 into 2. But minus is there down. So HI equal to minus 6 centimeters. So minus 6 centimeters means, according to the rules, below the principal axis. Below the principal axis, magnification negative value means, I said image is inverted real, and it is enlarged How we know it is enlarged or not means according to the values. Object size is 4, image size is 6, so it is enlarged. I hope you understood. This is the problem on concave. Next I will explain on the convex mirror. Now, convex mirror. This is the question asking to find the position, nature and size of the image. So convex mirror with a radius of curvature 3 meters is used as rear view mirror of a vehicle. If a bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Okay, convex mirror used as a rear view mirror of a vehicle given as bus. We need to consider bus is an object. So object distance is 5 meters away from the mirror. Radius of curvature is 3 meters. That means R value, radius of curvature R equal to 3 meters. So 3 meters is the radius of curvature. We have the radius of curvature formula is R equal to 2 into F. But why need to take this relationship means to find out F, that is focal length. So then F equal to what it will become? R by 2. R is 3 by 2. So you may take in decimals as 1.5 meters, or else F equal to, will take it as 3 by 2 for easy calculations. F equal to 3 by 2. Then what he given more? Object distance, that is U equal to 5 meters. Object distance 5 meters from this mirror. So object distance, whether we need to take positive or negative means, see, I'll explain. Okay. So let us assume this one as a bus placed in front of a rear view mirror of a vehicle, that is the convex mirror. So this object is measured from the pole. So this is the incident ray, we know that, but we need to measure in the reverse direction, that is negative values. So U will be, that means object distance will be minus 5 meters. Okay, we will find out V, that is image formation, image distance. 1 by F mirror formula, 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. We need 1 by V, so I am taking 1 by U to the LHS, 1 by F minus 1 by U. 1 by F value is, now F value will be positive. Why? Because this is measured from the pole. This value is 1.5 we got, that is nothing but 3 by 2. But we are going in the positive direction, so F equal to 3 by 2, no minus. So 1 by 3 by 2, that is 1.5 minus 1 by U value is minus 5. So minus of minus, it will become 1 by 5 plus 1.5 plus 1 by 5. That is 1 by V value. So 1 by V equal to LCM for 1.5 and 5 is 7.5. We'll take. I'm taking 15. Suppose 1.5 means 5, 0.3, and this one is 1. 0.3 into 1, 0.3 into 5, this is 1.5. Okay, so LCM is 1.5, not 7.5, 1.5. So 1.5 into 1 is 1.5 plus 5. How many times it goes for 1.5 means 0.3, that is 1 here, 1 plus 0.3, this is 1.5. Writing here 1 by V equal to 1 plus 0.3 is 1.3 by 1.5. I am eliminating point, that means decimal place values, 13 by 15 this will become. That's it, that is 1 by V value. Then V equal to reverse, 15 by 13. Should divide this one, you will get 1.15. We'll see. 13 or 15. 1 is 13. 2. 0.5 plus 0. 1 is 13. and this one is 7 remainder. So 0, 5 times is 65, so up to 2 decimals is enough. 1.15 meters measured in the meters, so V equal to 1.15 meters. So this is no negative value. Image formation is at 1.15 meters from the convex mirror. So position we got, where we get the image, that means the distance we got. What is the nature and size? Size, if you compare object distance, okay, so object distance is minus 5 meters, that means 5 meters. Image is 1.15 meters. What about the size and nature? So where the image forms, this is the object. So here if the object is placed, image we got as positive value. So positive value means behind the mirror. So behind the mirror, this side will be positive and this side will be negative if you measure. So behind the mirror we get the image, behind the mirror, and if you observe, the image form is behind the mirror, that is called as virtual. We know that when the image is appearing behind the mirror, that is virtual, and this is erect. This is the erect, that means the second position I explained for the convex mirror diagram. You can follow that video for the understanding. And this one is diminished, this will be diminished, that means size is decreased. So this is the nature of the image form. I hope you understood.